What's up, Curlies? It's your girl Talise, aka Curly Tails, and I'm back here with another video. And today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be doing two quick unboxings for you guys. I'm going to be unboxing the two products that I bought from Mielle's new Rice Water collection. And I'm also going to be unboxing my sister's May 2020 BoxyCharm base box. I don't know what's inside the box, but my sister did already open it up, and she was not very happy with what she received. So I'm going to see if I like it any better than she did. Before we get started with this video, I just want to say welcome back to all my subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, welcome, and make sure you hit the subscribe button right below this video, and also make sure you ring that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Alright, let's get started. So I'm going to start with Mielle because I already know what's in this box. And this is the box that the products came in. Look how cute it is. It's this super cute hot pink and it says Mielle on the front. This is what the inside of the box looks like. It is just so beautiful. It's got nice pink confetti and there is a card talking about her new Rice Water collection. The collection has 4 products and I only purchased 2 of them because the other 2 did have silicones in them. Mielle was having a $5 sale on these products. I'm not sure if that sale is still going on, but I will look that up and put it at the bottom of the screen. There's something about $5 products that I just can't say no to, and Mielle is one of my favorite brands, so when her products are $5, I really can't say no. So the 2 products that I purchased from this line are the Split End Therapy and the Clay Mask. The Clay Mask is 8 fluid ounces and the Split End Therapy is 2 fluid ounces. This is what the mask looks like inside the jar. It is super thick and it looks very creamy. And it has a nice, clean, fresh scent. I really like it. She is always coming strong with her scents. Her stuff always smells so good. And another great thing about this mask is that you can use it on your hair and your body. I haven't used a clay mask on my body before. I've used one on my face. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use it that way yet, but I'm thinking I'm going to give it a try. This is what the product looks like on my hand. And it is, oh, it has a very nice texture to it. It's thick and it's creamy, but it doesn't feel like I was expecting it to feel. It feels, I don't know, it feels like a butter maybe. It feels really good. And as for the Split End Therapy, it does come in this awesome dropper bottle. And it looks like it's a creamy white color. I'm going to see what it looks like on my hands real quick. Alright, it is very liquidy, just like I was expecting. And it feels good. It feels slippery. It feels moisturizing. It doesn't feel like I was expecting it to feel. I thought it was going to feel more like an oil, but it actually feels like a lightweight leave-in, but it feels like something that my hair is really going to enjoy as I apply it. There's one more thing I wanted to say about these products before I move on to the BoxyCharm, and that is, look at this packaging. I love how she has this matte pink for the top of both of these products. It is just so, it's eye-catching, it's really pretty. Like, she is always killing it with her packaging. Like, she's really great with her scents, her packaging. I just wish she would leave those silicones just somewhere else for every product, but other than that, I love Mielle. Before we get into the BoxyCharm, I forgot to tell you guys what this wash and go is. This is actually day 10 of my Curlsmith wash and go that I just put out a few days ago. This wash and go, it just keeps getting better and better. I've still been working out and it's still here. I haven't refreshed one time and I still have a ton of definition and I have volume. I just love Curlsmith. I love it. I love Curlsmith. Alright, this is the box that her BoxyCharm came in this month. Let's see what's inside. This is what the inside of the box looks like. It did give her some bubble wrap, so I'm probably going to pop that a little bit later. Boy, this is the card and it says Mother Nature on it, and I have variation 19. Alright, let's get into these products. The first one on the card is the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. It says they are powered by Elemis patented tri-enzyme technology combined with a mild lactic acid and probiotic ferment complex to gently yet effectively smooth the skin, revealing a visibly luminous complexion. and their original price is $59.
Oh my god.
This is what the product looks like. I did get a face moisturizer from Elemis in one of my previous BoxyCharms, and I've been using it every day and I really have been liking it a lot. Its original price, I believe, was $48, which is way out of my price range, so unless it lasts me until like November, I probably will not purchase it. But if it does last me, I really have been enjoying it, so I might consider it. Because I've been loving that moisturizer so much, if my sister doesn't want this product, I think I would try it out and see how it works on my face. I just recently started trying out lactic acid, so these pads sound really interesting to me right now. Alright, the next item on the card is the Violet Voss Essentials palette. It says it's a refreshing new take on essential shades. It includes 10 full-size pans of warm and cool tones in breathtaking matte and metallic finishes. And the original price is $29. So this is what the palette looks like, and I feel like this box is already winning because it has a palette in it, and my last box did not have a palette, and I was pretty upset about that. This is what the colors look like. They're very pretty, and I feel like you can do a lot of things with this. You can do a more natural look, or you can do something more spicy. I like this pink a lot, and I like this purple, and this green is gorgeous. First thing I asked my sister when she told me she didn't like this box was, is there a palette in it? So thankfully, they at least got that right this time.
No shade! No shade! We're talking about facts, right? No shade. No shade, nobody.
The next product on the card is the Pretty Vulgar Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer. It says the Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer is a blendable, lightweight, skin smoothing formula that will enhance your eyeshadows by making them vibrant and long-wearing. Infused with mineral-rich clay to absorb excess oil, it will deliver a crease-proof, fade-proof, translucent finish that is suitable for all skin tones. And it says that its original price is $22. So this is what the eyeshadow primer looks like. My sister doesn't do a lot with eyeshadow, so I don't know if she is going to give this to me so that I can try it out when I do my eye looks on the channel, or if she wants to give it a try herself. So we'll see about that. The next product is the I think that's how you say it, Beauty Care Dead Sea Minerals plus Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. It says these Dead Sea Minerals plus Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes help prevent dark spots while moisturizing and brightening skin. They remove all traces of makeup without causing irritation, leaving skin hydrated and luminous. Designed for all skin types, including sensitive and dry skin, and the original price is $17. This is what the packaging looks like for the wipes. It has this awesome metallic orange all over it, which I think is really cool, and it just pops. I think it's really cool that these wipes have vitamin C in them, and they're supposed to moisturize and help with dark spots. I personally would not use them though, because the second ingredient is cyclopentasilicane, which is a silicone. And like I said, I don't use silicones on my face anymore, the same way I don't use them in my hair. But I still think this product is really cool and interesting. And the final product is the Gerard Cosmetics Lip Pencil. It says the lip liner of your dreams. Creamy and pigmented, yet long-lasting to help complement any lip look. And the original price is $16. So this is what it looks like. It's a very classy lip pencil. It's gold and it has the color on the end. And it looks like a mauvey pink. This is a color that I feel like my girl Jackie Naturals would really like. She loves her mauves. I'm going to link Jackie's channel down below in the description. She does awesome BoxyCharm unboxings. She's actually the person who convinced me to try my first BoxyCharm after watching her unboxings. And she said it was her favorite subscription box, so I decided to give it a try. You guys should definitely check out Jackie's channel and subscribe if you haven't already. And make sure you check out her BoxyCharm unboxings. I don't know if this color is something that my sister would like, so I can pretty clearly see why she didn't like this box. It has only one thing that she would have been looking for, and I feel like it's that eyeshadow palette. Everything else, I don't think she's very interested in at all. And honestly, I didn't really love this box too much either myself. I do like the palette. I like this pencil. I feel like I might try it out if she doesn't want it. I do like those Elemis pads. I do want to check those out. But other than that, this box really wasn't anything special. I think the Elemis pads are going to be my favorite product, that and the palette. But other than that, I'm not wowed.
Sorry to this man.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I enjoyed doing these unboxings, even though the BoxyCharm was a little disappointing. I'm hoping that it is way more impressive next month. I'll be on here unboxing my sister's BoxyCharm in June, so be on the lookout for that. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching.